Hey everyone, welcome to Lance Fantasy Gaming. We are doing Patreon Part 3 STL for people that wants to 3D print D&D, Warhammer proxies, and figures as well. And if you do like the video, subscribe, like, and share. Check out our links down below. And yeah, if you have this Patreon that you want me to look at and have an opinion about, leave it down in the comments as well to help me out because we're running out a lot of Patreons to look at. So we have Aquarium Workshop. Uh, this should be. She should have what's for August. Here we go. So we have two. Looks like two goat folks and a weeping dead tree. This is from Diablo 4 with all the heads and stuff and the goat folks that do something on the swaps for it. So if you guys really are into like Diablo, this is probably a good thing. You want to do some dark horror for that as well. Next one would be Dragon Tappert Lodge. Very good one for the price for $10 and get actually $10 for the basic stuff, but you can get a lot of stuff for like I think it's like 14, $15. So this is Gods of the Lost Continent. We'll try to see if we can look at some more Fiends on Incarnacy. So we have like not demonic stuff. So we have Hoppersaurus with a Triceratop and Hopper they have. That is fucking weird looking. God of Death. Looks like a cobalt that needs to at least to file his fingernail, but it looks like a dino, more of a dinosaur. God of Life. They just basically put like a heads of different dinosaurs. It's just this figure, so it's making it looking really weird. God of the Sun. Okay. But yeah, you can have these in the jungle. So you have a displacer raptor. Oh my god, why? Why a displacer raptor? I want to print it. Prismasaurus, Petrosaurus, Saurians, Shadow Warp Tricks. Yeah, they just fucking bastards. Oh my god, Tar Pit Reaper. Oh god. Have this in the game in the jungles. Oh my god, and everyone's gonna be hating. I think we're doing the more the Infernal now. The devils. Ah no, why they did that for me? There we go. Well, these look pretty good as well. We have the Foul Mal Cultist, Vengeant Fiend's Blood, Vengeant Fiend's Blood. You might hear a ding in the background. That's due to the fact that I am editing a video for Baldur's Gate 3, and I'll be talking about Baldur's Gate 3 on Wednesday video for that as well. Grimhawk, if you're Warhammer proxy for Age of Sigmar and 40k. So we have renders. I think this is the Age of Sigmar version of it. So the skinks. So you want to make a skinks army for very cheap for printing. This one might be a very good one for you guys as well. We have a lot of skinks army I can actually 3D print as well, but I don't have anyone that has Age of Sigmar armies except for myself. I'm like the only one that basically has it, and this is the 40k one. So we have the Mechanicus and Imperial tanks. This would be a very good one to get. Looks like a tactician Marines. Another cool looking dreadnought, and we have our Tyranids proxy as well. So it's not bad to have a lot of proxies of these things, and they're not fully done yet as well. So we'll see once they get their full release listing out for them as well. Peach figure for anime figures with big titties. So we have Sakura from Street Fighter as well. And then we have Sori. I don't know where she's from, but you may tell me down in the comments for that as well. So those two. Next one is Cal 3D. It's another figure. This time we'll be getting NSF version. Valkyrie. July. That's NSF version. Just only thing we're getting is Valkyrie right now, so I'm guessing just Valkyrie for them. Legion miniatures for DC and Marvel fans. If we're doing DC Marvel tabletop, I think this is for August preview. Yes, it is. So we have those previews for you guys. We have Doctor Doom, the Human Torch. I think that's a War Machine. I think that is a. I forgot what that. I think that's probably a Lizardman. For a Silver Surfer, Cyclops. I don't know what else do we have over here. I don't know all the damn everyone. We have Mr. Manhattan over here. See here. Then that's the Pink Lantern Corps. For that, we'll take a closer look individually. For it, that's the old-looking Cyclops. Is that's not Doctor Doom. Doctor Doom doesn't carry a gun around. That looks like a probably the Lizardman or the Demi Goblin. Probably Lizardman. Silver Surfer, War Machine, Luke Cage. This is the different era of the Captain America. I forgot which era was it. Another different era. Doctor Strange, Human Torch, Batwoman, Batgirl. Forgot her as well. That might be Cheetah. Don't know who that is. Don't know who that is. Forgot his name. Then Dr. Manhattan. Peacemaker. I think that's from the Pink Lantern Corps. I really don't know. Superboy. Yeah, that's what you get for the Legion. And we have Tofu coming in here. Get up, Tofu. I told you. Your fat ass cannot sit on my paints. Yeah, not gonna edit that. Cast and play. Let's see what we got for cast and play. These looks like are going to be spellcasters and constructs for this one as well. Let's see what we got. Yeah, I forgot that God darn name word. They're a very peaceful race. We have a Tortol. There's a name. Versa Veluda Incarnate. It's like a Warforge. Bloody Deacon. So we have Spellcaster. We have Warmonger. A very scary looking gnome. Vishta Dimensional Shade. Infinite Walker. Your Construct Legion hitters. The Construct Legion grunts. This will be good for the if you do like a wizard tower raid and stuff like that for your games. And here's your base. That's just gonna be gold and just freaking white dry brush and some neon or whatever light bright color wash to see the symbols for those. That'll make it very easy to paint. Okay, I got Basker Sar, one big titty girls. Basically, on print, I think we're doing elves or yeah, I think we're doing elves. Undying Light. Probably not elves, but they look like more elf-like. To tell you the truth. Well, these are cool things too. They do a lot of female character. That looks like a dryad right there, or a nymph. But it'll be probably cool to use and everything for that game as well for D&D. And like I said, I'm not gonna judge how you play your D&D games. It is one of those things that you're gonna have to do that yourself. But I think overall, I think it's pretty damn good. Well, anyhow, this will be it for part 3. Thank you guys very much. Subscribe, like, and share. Check out our social link down below to see more videos. And Baldur's Gate 3 gameplays are up. Is an ANL Let's Play down the social link. Thank you guys very much. Have a nice day.